You've got hiccups?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I don't hear your hiccups.
I got hiccups.
Let me hear your hiccups.
I need to go dentist.
You need to go to the dentist because you have the hiccups?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what will the dentist do?
Check my and get my teeth done.
You'll get your teeth done and that'll cure your hiccups?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
And my stethoscope and watch a movie and my wallet and the egg and my pick a ball.
All those things?
Uh-huh.
And that'll cure your hiccups?
Uh-huh.
I have not heard one hiccup.
I need to go to the dentist too. We both like to go dentist. Okay? We need to go dentist. I need to pick a ball. I need to pick a ball.
You know, your sister is so loving. I'm sure she'll give you her toy.
A toy?
I think she will.
Okay.
Be nice to her and I'm sure she'll give you her toy.
Okay.
We're waiting for sister to get out of school. Then we're on our way to the dentist, Amy's favorite place in the whole wide world.
And pick a sticker.